Hi, are you elevator? Cause I'll go up and down on you. Up and down, up and down.
बेटे ओ बेटा मौज कर दी वाह बेटे वाह
Hey,
ठीक है।
wait. You know what? You should take care of your eyes.
Why?
Cause they are only boobs you have. Okay, leave it. I have something for you. I have information for you.
Do it. Tell me.
Come close. Come close.
I'm close.
Okay, listen. Do you know about Taro Ka Shehar?
I'm not gonna answer that.
Actually, okay, it's a science fiction thing. A city of stars.
Okay.
If you go there in Taro Ka Shehar, your stomach can be fat due to gravitational force. Like up and down. Your stomach can be fat. It's a actual thing. In India, it's called Oyo. It's called a Taro Ka Shehar. Do you wanna be with me in Taro Ka Shehar?
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean in the family, credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the bank, legacies.
भाई वो आपका एड वाला सुना दो यार एक बार।
Okay, Colgate Dentist का सुधा #1 brand.
भाई मुझे भी कुछ आती है।
Of course सुनाओ तुम.
एनिमल्स का आवाज सुनाता हूँ।
Okay.
सबसे पहले घोड़ा, फिर दूसरा सुना भाई बाइक का सुना, बाइक का।
हाँ.
भाई और बहुत कुछ आता है, बकरी का।
Okay.
बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो मत करो रहने दो
सही था भाई, सही था। बच्चा रोने का सुनाता हूँ।
Okay.
थोड़ी बहुत आती है सिंचन की। मॉम मुझे भूख लगी है।
मॉम।
भाई वो नाना पेटेका वाला भाई।
आ गई नाना पाटेकर के बात सुनने।
Hi.
Are you recording in the studio?
What the fuck? Do you think that I'm porn star?
Yes.
But I think you guys can make me a porn star.
Oh yeah.
क्या बोला तूने?
Oh yeah.
कभी कभी लगता है कि पुनीत भगवान है।
Do you think are you a porn star?
Do you know Johnny Sins?
Oh yes, the bald guy.
I'm his coach.
किन्नी हसीन टाइटो दी जीन नजरा तो ठक दिया सोनी बड़ी लगदी बरान कुड़ी
अमेरिका का दलाल बहन चो
Here and who is boy here?
Girl, boy.
Threesome?
Did you say so?
Where are you guys from?
Poland.
Poland.
Oh, I love Poland.
That's nice. And where are you from?
I'm from your heart.
Oh, that's cute. What's your name?
My name is Sikku. You like that?
Yeah.
You know, no one wants my name. I have more deep voice than this. Or do you wanna hear that?
Yeah, sure.
Or you lost baby girl? I want friends like you. You know, no one my friends.
It's okay. You will find them. Believe me.
You know, I'm single from last 500 years.
Oh.
तुम कहते हो कि तुम मुझसे बहुत मोहब्बत करते हो, है ना? तो कितनी मोहब्बत करते हो तुम मुझसे? बोलो।
दीवानों सा हाल हुआ हम कौन से।
Hello. Do you stream on Twitch?
No.
Oh, what game are you playing right now?
I play with hearts.
Okay.
बेटे खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय
You know, you look like aunties.
रुको जरा सबर करो।
Roses are red, violets are blue. My bed has room for we two. Fabricate जो आपकी फटी गांड चिपका दे.
What?
It's like this. Fabricate जो आपकी फटी गांड चिपका दे. I'm telling that you guys are pretty awesome.
Hey. Thank you, man.
So speak again. Fabricate जो आपकी फटी गांड चिपका दे.
Wait, we're trying.
Oh, Bucket Man, you know, from now, a new superhero invented. Your friend is now Bucket Man.
Listen.
Bucketman only saw his superpower in a washroom.
Yes.
That's his power. Bucketman will clean potty in washroom.
This is business.
Hey, you left one. Why are you not speaking anything? I think his boyfriend cheated, but don't worry, I'm here. You can come and...
No. Oh god.
She's just shy.
You know, I'm sexy boy.
Yeah, you are. You're so sexy.
I have something for you guys.
What is it?
That is for left one. Should I tell you?
Yes.
Hey, your lips like lonely. Would they want to meet with mine? What's your name?
What's your name?
Kinga.
What's that? Pumpkin. Pumpkingo.
Kinga.
Kinga.
Kinga. Okay, Kinga. A new love story started. Kinga and Sikko. We are lovers.
So cute.
We are couples now.
Congratulations for you. You in love. You may kiss yourselves. You may kiss.
You guys have boyfriend?
No, I'm single.
I'm also single from last 5 to 600 years.
Oh, so sad.
It's so sad.
Oh my god. I die alone.
Roses are red, violets are dying. Outside I'm smiling, but inside I'm crying.
Oh my god.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
But you know,
Sorry.
you can do something for me, guys. You can be my girlfriend. Don't cry.
Oh.
Yes.
Nice. I like it.
Yeah. So, do you want to be my girlfriend?
Me
No.
or her?
Anyone. 500 years. Yeah, anyone. I will love you. I will love you from my heart. I will love you from my kidney. I will love you from everywhere.
Oh my god, I love you, my heart too. You a rich man?
Yeah, I'm rich. See, I have iPhone.
Okay, my boyfriend now.
Yeah, I'm your boyfriend. You know, I heard that if you have iPhone, then you will get a girlfriend.
I'm Samsung.
You Samsung. Oh, that's so poor.
I want an iPhone.
I will give you. Don't worry. I will give you iPhone. But for that, you have to love me. You have to care for me. You have to do everything for me.
Okay. Okay. Nice. One iPhone for me, for her. 2 iPhones for me and for her.
It's okay. I'll give you. I'm very, very rich. See, I have iPhone, 2 cameras, iPhone.
Oh, listen to me.
Okay, I'm listening to you.
Boyfriend and me and her.
Okay, so we can be threesome.
Yes.
Oh, you agree?
Threesome? Yes.
Oh my god. Oh, we will have fun.
With rich man.
Yeah, we will reach men. I think we should marry now.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Now.
So yeah, now do you have ring? It will be a virtual marriage in lockdown. I got a ring. Just give me your hand. Give me your hand. First, hey, wait. First, you black one. Give me your hand. Yeah, you. Oh no.
I'm very happy.
Now we are officially husband and wife. Now you.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to paragraph.
Yeah, you two are beautiful and I'm sexy boy.
Okay. Okay. Yes, you are sexy boy.
Yeah, and you guys are sexy girl.
Yeah.
Oh, sexy
Beautiful
girl.
one.
So now we are officially husband and wife. So our
2 wives.
yeah, 2 wives. I have 2 wives. Now we should think about our future, like our babies.
No babes. No, I wanna cat. iPhone. Cats. I want cat.
You want cat? I can't produce cat. I will only reproduce a human being.
Okay, I
Yeah,
understand.
like I'm trying to say that my sperm will only generate a human being, not a cat.
I don't understand.